friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Bittorrent token. The Bittorrent token holder is doing a very big mistake at this time, friends. So especially I want to all of you that please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. If you are doing this mistake, so absolutely you are in the loss, and if you are safe from this mistake, so you are in the profit. For more details, keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates, friends. Thank you so much for subscribing AB Stake channel. Let's continue. As you can see, this time price of the Bittorrent token as 0.00691 USD is the current price at this time price of the Bittorrent token. And if you look the price changes in the Bittorrent token, so the last 1 hour price change as negative, friends, and the last 20 price change is again positive. The last 1 week price change is again negative, friends. Let's see, let me show you that how in which time the hold is doing a big mistake. As you can see here in the last hours, and in this time friends also a hold is doing a very big mistake. As you can see here, and this time the falls occur in the Bittorrent token. So when the holders see this falls, so they understand that this is a continuously falls of the Bittorrent token and they want to sell Bittorrent token. Absolutely, that's a very bad news. Then you want to sell Bittorrent token, don't sell it at this time. It's time to only and only hold Bittorrent token, because I know the prediction of the Bittorrent token. I know that my prediction is very positive about Bittorrent token. That is why I suggest for all of you that please don't sell it Bittorrent token. I hope in the future they again take a jump, they again start pumping upward. So don't sell it. It's time to hold Bittorrent token. What's your prediction about Bittorrent token? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe AB Stake channel for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.